Hey everybody, welcome back to the homestead. I'm Mary.
And I'm Eric.
And we are outside today. We are going to open box our super handy chicken plucker for you.
Yes, this is a very exciting time for me. I've had this box, or we've had this box for quite some time now. Just had it sitting in the building here in the grow room and waiting for this day to come. And it's come finally. We got our chickens, our meat chickens are ready to be processed, and that will be this coming Saturday.
Yes.
We'll be ready to process this coming Saturday, and we will be videoing that. We'll be set up in this general area. I have my cone station fixed and ready to go. Everything else we prepared for, and we have. And this is the last thing we need to do is get our plucker put together, and we thought that we would share that with you guys and let you see what's involved when you buy a new plucker.
That's right. As you know, we want to share the good, the bad, and the ugly of the homestead with you. We have 22 chicks left. Well, they're not chicks anymore. 22 meat birds left that survived. We lost 3.
Yeah, due to rain.
We lost 1 due to ants.
1 due to ants, and then 2
2
to rain. And we've really had, rain has been pretty much our enemy this summer. We've lost livestock to the rain, and it has took a toll on our garden. It really ravished out our tomatoes and set in blight pretty early, and I could not get it to stop. We used liquid copper and everything, and it's just too bad. Too much rain.
We went from not having any to too much all at one time.
Yeah, a lot of humidity here in South Carolina. A lot.
So we're going to get started. Eric, you want to open the box for us?
Yeah.
You'll have to excuse me. There's gnats flying.
And I'm no expert when it comes to this. I've never put one of these together. I'm just working on the fly, trying to figure it out as I go.
Hold the box.
Yeah, let's see. It is heavy. Looks like everything's in this, except the packet.
Here's the spool.
Okay.
And I think it's upside down.
Yeah, I'll flip it over in a second. I want to make sure that's everything, and then I'll throw all the trash back in the box. We could have did this in the house, but we chose to do it outside because we hadn't been able to get outside and do much this year. And it looks like, if I ain't mistaken, that's extra right there. All of them look, all the nipples look like they're in, and there's 3 turned the opposite way, so that must be extras.
Must be.
Huh. Let's see.
There's the destructions.
Yes, destruction. Take it apart. Got these neat little latches. Got these neat little latches there to hold the latch together. On there. That's pretty cool.
Oh, wow. I gotta hide this book from you.
And one good thing about it, all them nipples, I was worried about I was going to have to put all these nipples in this thing, but it looks like they all in, so that is great.
Yeah, we thought we were going to have to screw each one in individually.
Yeah. Well, I got one more latch on here. Thought I had them all. Having a little trouble with this one.
Want my help?
I got it. Alright. There's that.
That's the motor.
Yep.
And it's got a grounded plug. I don't know if you could see that.
GFI, which is excellent, safety wise. And
oh, everything's labeled. I love it. Right, left.
yeah. Alright. Can you take that one out for me?
Oh, that's heavy for me.
Yeah. This is not the top end line of a plucker. You normally see some of those that have the square box that the barrel sets on top of. That's the top end range price wise. We chose to go with the medium range, a good range price wise like this model here, and see how it does. If it's not something that we see is going to work for us, we will be looking at something bigger down the road. But we thought that this would be good enough for us, because we're not like some of these guys on the YouTube channels that are doing hundreds of birds. We're only starting out with 25, and we think 25 is going to be good for us each year for now. But if we see later on that we're going to be doing way more birds than that.
Well, we're going to do 22 this time, and we'll try to get some more as soon as we can.
Yeah, but I'm talking about at a time. 25 at a time.
Yeah, we can't do.
Yeah, 25 at a time. Them guys do hundreds at a time. But
poor Eric, he has to do so much. Okay, you're going to have to put the legs on.
okay.
Right leg with wheel. You got to put the wheel.
Right leg with the wheel. That's pretty simple. Put the wheel on a solid steel thing and put a pin in it.
Yep. And then it says bolt.
Let me go ahead and do the left wheel since that's so simple. I'll put both wheels on.
Did it have a third leg?
Huh?
Did it have a third leg?
It did.
Okay.
I didn't put the washer on though. I'll have to go back and put the washer on. Let's see. Washer goes here, I'm assuming. Yeah, it's got a third leg.
Okay, I'm just making sure.
Whoa. You all right?
Yep.
Okay, and put, let's see. Goes like that, I'm assuming.
Yep.
Alright.
You're gonna put the right and the
Then the right, let's see. Yeah, this one may go right here.
yeah, and then the right one goes on the other side of it.
Right. Okay. Like that, right?
Yep. and you need a bolt part 17. Are they
Okay.
marked?
I don't know, but I can figure it out. They
Bolt MX times 50. I don't know what that is, baby. Poor Eric having to do this with me. You need a bolt and a nut.
And it don't show any washers.
No, it does not show any washers.
Okay.
And see, the right one, according to the picture, the right one's going to go here, and that other one's going to go there.
There, yeah. Alright.
No. No.
Right here?
Yeah. You want me to get down there and help you?
I got it.
And you can see Zoe coming in and out of frame. She's our supervisor. She's the farm supervisor, in case nobody knew that. Didn't she?
Yeah. Laying over there just a looking, making sure I'm doing things right. And I tell you, these past few days has been cool. We've had a cloudy days and temperatures dropped, and we had cold front from up north come through for about a week and dropped down into 70s and low 80s, and today it got up to close to 90, and I tell you, you can feel it. I'm sweating up a storm already.
I brought my water. We appreciate everybody coming to our channel and checking us out. We appreciate all the comments. It really helps us. It helps us so we know what y'all want to see. And it helps us grow too, doesn't it?
It does. Just to give y'all a little update on some things that I'm going to be doing. I know gardening's about over with for this year, but I will be starting up some pepper plants in a few months. I start mine in February, so I will be videoing that, getting that started. And
we're going to do some in the house too. We're going to move some to the house.
yep, we'll be doing that, getting that started, and showing you some videos on how we start our pepper plants, and getting that started just in a couple months. We'll be doing those videos, and we've had some people to ask for those videos, so just to let you know, we're about in that stage here in the garden for that.
Now, baby, you've not had to use any difficult tools that you wouldn't normally have around the house.
No, just a, I'm not sure what size this is, but I got a adjustable wrench and a multi-wrench. It's just all sizes, but I'm not sure what's on there. I think it's more like a half inch wrench.
And you're just holding the nut and screwing the bolt.
Yep, just tightening it down tight. That's all I'm doing. That's all I'm doing, tightening her down.
Tighten too much.
And one thing we hadn't done that we need to do, and that's do an update on our pigs, because they sure have grown.
Oh, yes.
They sure have grown.
We might do that this weekend.
They have took off. And we had like a runt, I guess you could say. He was real little, and he has almost caught the big one. Bacon. He's almost caught up to Bacon. Pork Chop's really grown. And
they are so funny. If you ever, we don't have a huge piece of land, so if you can ever have animals, I recommend it. I mean, we talk to, well, I do. I talk to the chickens, the goats, the rabbits, the pigs.
Yep.
There's a word for it, starts with a C, but it can't come to mind right now. It's good for you. It's good for your soul. It's a natural de-stressor.
Yeah, they do good for your therapy and stuff, I tell you. Just like therapy. But we need to do a video on them, because I tell you, they have sure enough grown.
Yes, since we got them, yes.
We're not doing anything special. We're just giving them regular feed, pellets, and scraps from the table. That's all we're doing, and it seems to be working, because they're gaining weight quick. And from the looks of it, this is all of them hardwire work right here. I don't know what that's for yet. What's this for?
To put this on the
Okay.
plate.
All
Now
right.
you got to flip it over.
There we go. I see it now. But that was pretty simple.
Yes. Now we have to put it's called the feather plate.
Okay. I gotta get it out.
Do you want me to hold some?
No. I don't know how to get it out. That's the thing.
Yeah, because it's kind of wedged in there.
Yeah. Wedged is the word. There it goes. Alright.
You put the three they go in that hole.
Like that?
No, the three that's sticking up, those got to go in the hole, I think. Yeah.
No, that's good there. That's it.
Okay.
But those are spares. Those three that are turned upside down, going the opposite way, those are spares. So if you break one or something, you have a spare. That's what that is. And that's pretty awesome. And I'm sure you can buy replacements for these.
Oh yeah, this company, super handy. I mean, mean, we'll let you know how it works when we get everything together, once we use it, but they were like, I mean, they've got a whole bunch of stuff.
Okay. I should have got my socket. That would have been better, but this is working good. Now that I got it figured out, I'm gonna get in there.
Oh, I see, said the blind man.
Now this flips upside down
Yep.
and goes back up on there. Now
Yep.
you got a steady. It should be marked where it lines up.
You line it up
Right
with
here.
these.
No, with this arrow right here.
Yeah, because there's a proximity switch.
There's the arrow right there.
Yep.
Line them arrows up. I seen them arrows when I took it out.
Yeah, because there's a proximity.
Okay, now hand me all that stuff I gave you, the clips.
You got screws. You got 2 screws.
They're probably in it. They're probably already in it. But that's it. That's all they are to it. That wasn't too bad. Not
No.
nowhere near as bad as I thought. Let's see, then this one go. Let's see. Well, got to figure out how this is gonna go now.
Lock the tub and fasten the gourd buckle.
That one's bent. I got one bent, which ain't no problem. I can straighten it out. That was my problem getting it to do. It's bent just a little bit. I don't know if I did that. I don't think I did this, but I believe it came that way.
Well,
You know us, we can't order nothing without something being wrong or missing a part.
we just got a upright fan and I didn't open it right away. We put it together because I've been getting hot at night and it's missing the bolt that attaches the blade to the back of it. Well, since I didn't open it right away, you know, it's my loss.
Yeah, the company won't do anything. Well, I about broke that last year, but I didn't.
We'll do these other ones.
Okay. These are fine. I gotta get my other right there.
That'll keep it from sliding around and
Yeah,
stuff.
that's all. These are fine. Just got that one that's bent just a little bit too much. And then you take these little clips. I don't know what these things are called, but take these little safety latches, put in the holes there, like that, to hold it on.
Did you see the screws?
No, I hadn't looked yet. And what's the screws for?
Please install the proximity switch.
It was on there. I saw it.
Okay.
It's already on there.
Did you screw them together?
No. I'll look at it. Them wheels ain't right. It ain't gonna roll like that.
look at them. They're on the wrong side.
It's not according to the picture.
But that's it. That's the way it is. You want to turn it on, see how it works?
Yeah.
See the screws up under that yellow thing?
Yeah, that's what you gotta unscrew and screw into the, yeah.
Over here. Alright, let's see how this thing's gonna run. Watch out, Zoe.
Taking it, the button's down there.
Yeah, it's down here. I just got to find it. Here it is. You ready?
Yep.
There it goes. It works, y'all. Believe it or not, it works.
Yep.
Well, that's the chicken plucker. That's one less thing we have to worry about come Saturday. And we are going to do that like we said this Saturday, which is what? What's the date? Saturday.
I don't.
The 27th will be this Saturday, and the 27th is when we're going to process our first half of our birds, and we will video it and post that video, and please be watching for that. And we really thank you guys for staying tuned for this unboxing of the Plucker here on the homestead. Like I say, we're not professionals. We just did that for you guys to see what's involved in just a regular Plucker. I'd advise you to get one. It's a lot easier to run your machine than to stand there with your hand and pluck them. And we do have the turkey fryer where we'll be dipping them and throwing them in here, and we'll do the whole process. We'll show you guys how to do your own birds.
We won't dispatch them on the video.
No, we won't dispatch them on video. I'll tell you how we did it and show you the process, the setup, but we will not be doing that. So please watch, be looking out for that video. And once again, thank you for looking at this one here, and please continue to leave comments and let us know what you think, and we appreciate it, guys.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep on homesteading, keep on growing, and keep on gardening.
And keep on canning.
Thank you, and have a blessed evening.